Hi Cancer, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a small little love bite for you. This is going to be just a small reading to see how you're doing and how your partner's doing and what's the love trend going on for you. Of course, your long love reading's just been posted in case you've missed it. I'll leave a link at the end of the video, and more are coming. This is just a teaser in the middle. So, let's begin, and I apologize to all of you out there who've reached out to me for a private reading. I was so overbooked, but now the schedule is open, and you can mail me at omkaratarot@gmail.com. It's in the description box below, and book a private reading with me if you wish so. Three of Coins in reverse. So Cancer, what are you going through? Let's see. Five of Wands, Ten of Cups, and the Hanged Man. Okay. Nine of Swords, Queen of Cups, that's your card, Cancer, and the Page of Swords, Temperance, King of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. Okay, so there's been a little rift in your love life, even though you both make each other really happy. And because of this fight, you are now feeling unhappy, feeling stuck, not knowing how to work together anymore. So, Spirit, what's this Five of Wands which happened? This is Five of Wands. Somebody was trying to take the higher ground, trying to block off the other person, being a bit defensive here. With this Queen of Wands. Yeah, maybe one person wanted to rush ahead, the other person, oh, too many cards. 1 second. So one person wanted to move ahead in the relationship, the other one was being a bit defensive. And this was probably to do with a commitment or long-term stability, where there was no coming together because there was a fight. One person wanted to move ahead, the other person being defensive. There was a fight, and this was the reason, the commitment and for long-term longevity. Even though you both make each other very happy, and want to come out of this fight now. It's been very burdening, but I think somebody is waiting for an apology, and without that apology, somebody is feeling very stuck and unhappy. Lot of thinking, lot of going back and forth. How do I bring this into, balance now? Need to have communication. This feminine is a little angry and upset here. She's been worrying a lot because she loves a lot. She's the Queen of Cups, right? But not really showing her emotions right now, showing maybe more of the sword. And somebody has been up to some mischief here. Somebody has been up to some mischief and trouble this Queen. So let's see. Yeah, communication is coming soon. Okay, communication is going to be coming soon by the person who created this mischief here. Things are soon going to be put back into balance. If there was any toxic behavior which happened, I think you both will now get rid of it. There will be some clear-cut communication here and talks of taking this forward once again. Okay, but I do have the Temperance right now in reverse, which actually means that there is a bit of waiting here. There is a bit of waiting here for things to be brought back into balance. There has to be some clear communication which has to come from the masculine's end. Right now there's a lot of stagnation from this masculine's end, and till this person does not bring in an apology or a love offer, things are going to be a bit slow, but slowly I think you both will come out of this very heartbreaking situation. And yes, because heart of hearts, you both know that this is a very strong connection, and once this communication comes from this King of Swords to the Queen of Swords, see, it's an equal match here. Once these secrets are revealed, right now people are maybe not talking to each other, and this is becoming really burdening for both parties. Both parties. So somebody is waiting here for an apology and some secrets to be revealed, right? So till somebody doesn't apologize and say what is in their heart, the other person's going to be, and both are very, very, I think, triggered right now, not knowing how to have this fresh new beginning. It's becoming very burdening to be silent also, wanting to come out of this stress and tension and worry, because this queen has been in this state for a very long time, right? Right now maybe there's no forward movement because of this injustice which has happened in the situation. Both are wanting to work towards having a stable, fresh beginning with each other, because right now they may not be, but till this message doesn't come, this message of this sorry or whatever, there is a bit of confusion, right? There's a bit of confusion because people are holding on and wishing upon a star at the moment. That's about it. For all this heartbreak to be over soon. So if you're the masculine watching this reading, please hurry up and go sorry to your feminine. And feminine, if you've been worrying and stressing out, don't be, okay? Chill. I think they'll come back, okay? Here's your knight in shining armor coming back to apologize and say sorry to you. So this is the trend. It's going to happen soon. There'll be heartbreak will all be over. I have 2 cards of Three of Swords in reverse. So if you've had any kind of conflict, it's going to be soon over. Don't worry about it, okay? So see you next week with the longer readings and more in depth. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.